Let's see how we can quickly install BGMI in our laptops and play it. First, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below and just click on download LD Player 9 and it will be quickly downloaded as you can see. Once it is downloaded, just click on open file. If you're asked to want to allow this app to make changes, just click on yes. Here, click on install and LD Player will now download and install. It will take a few minutes because this is 724 MB. After around 5 to 10 minutes, this will be installed and you might see this message. Just click on no thanks. Once this is successfully installed, you will see this home screen. Now just click on system apps and you will see these things. Now click on Play Store and Play Store will open. Now just click on sign in and sign in with any account that you have. If you see a pop-up like this, you can just click on this close button. Just enter your email here. Click on next. Enter your password. Click on next. Click I agree. Once you are logged in, just search for Battleground Mobile India, hit enter. Now this app is not available in my region. If you are on India or wherever this is available, just click on the apps icon and click on install and then you will be able to install and play it from the home screen itself. Once this is installed, you can just click on this here and your app icon will be available here. Just click on it and you will be able to play Battlegrounds Mobile India. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.